There's
Interesting.
not just money. So, and I think that is where my strength comes in, is because I can see, or I try to see, what is it, the underlying motivator. You know, sometimes I've got a sales colleague who has severe ADHD. We actually joke with her because she is like, she can go on a high and she's so excitable and very uh,
Like outgoing kind of traits.
very outgoing.
Uh-huh.
Yes, and she's the best salesperson, the best networker, and obviously she exceeds target month after month. But with that, after a lot of excitement, she needs time off. So in the old days, when I say the old days, a few years ago, she would take sick days. She would like be off sick for a day or two because she needed that downtime. So now, how does that look to an outsider? That looks, if you look at her history now, it looks like somebody that stays away from work a lot, which is a negative aspect.